restaurant from Wolfgang Steakhouse. I'm happy to be in Manila to have the chance to introduce our steak in the Philippines, and I hope that everybody will like it.
Hello, I'm Peter Zwiener, a managing partner and president of Wolfgang Steakhouse. Welcome to Wolfgang Steakhouse Manila. This is our 14th branch. Wolfgang Steakhouse started back in February 2004. It started in Park Avenue. It was an idea of my father and myself. We wanted to open up a restaurant that served the best steak in Manhattan. My father, who worked at a previous restaurant called Luger Steakhouse for 40 years, and myself as a banker, we said, let's do one in Manhattan, and we opened up Wolfgang Steakhouse. The basic concept of Wolfgang Steakhouse is to bring USDA prime beef and dry age it on premise to each one of our locations. And that's what we constantly do wherever we go. What does dry aging mean? Well, dry aging means that we buy fresh product, never frozen, never chilled. We ship it here to Manila, and we put it in a proprietary built aging room. Now that aging room is based upon temperature, which we keep above the freezing level, but just minimally above freezing level, and we keep it in there for a little over a month, so it ages. Now the aging process, what happens during that period, the natural enzymes in the beef break down the intermuscular tissue, so making the beef more tender, but at the same time adding flavor to the beef. So we believe we have the best aging room possible, and we have the best knowledge due to my father being in the business for over 50 years. So we do know about dry aging, and we do serve the best dry aged beef globally now, here in Manila and globally as well. The signature steak of Wolfgang Steakhouse is the Porterhouse. We would say about 80% of all our steaks is Porterhouse, because you get the sirloin part and you also get a fillet part. So you get two different steaks in just one when you get the Porterhouse. When I go out and I eat at the Wolfgang's almost every day, I do get the Porterhouse, and I do like it rare, because you get the true flavor of the aging and the quality of the beef, the texture. You can actually feel the beef better. When I go more than medium, you don't really get that flavor profile anymore. So Porterhouse for me. I don't know about you.
For me, it's the same. It's very rich, very flavorful and tender.